the instructors were so patient, so understanding. I never had to like think for a second that can I ask this question or not. I was like, okay, I'm going to make the most of it. I asked all kind of questions that I had in mind. I did my master's in wildlife science. Nature and the natural world has been my inspiration. So most of my art is nature inspired. I do a lot of small projects for illustrations for nature magazines or t-shirt designs for nature NGOs and things. So my background basically was that, and then I decided, okay, I want to sort of find the middle ground between art and science. Hence, I decided to upskill myself, get the necessary skills that I need so that I can move forward in my chosen field. I really work well when there is a structure, when there's a plan or a step-by-step approach. So I was looking at some courses online and I stumbled upon Ant Academy and I was like, okay, I read through everything. I'm a very hands-on person. I like talking face-to-face, doing tasks then and there. I spoke to a counselor from Ant. I like the flexibility part of it, like, the stackability options. That helps me not jump into the course and be like, I have to do this now because I've paid the money, and I could like see if it's working for me or not. So yeah, that's how I discovered Ant. I think one has to be the interactiveness that the classes have, where we have breaks in between and tasks and activities, group activities, one-on-one reviews with the mentor, the structure, that step-by-step approach where each module is so thought out that you exactly know how will you go from step A to step B. So that really helps. And finally, I think the way it is designed, how each module leads to the next one. Like you learned something in module 1, you take that forward, go to module 2, you take that forward and come to module 3. The mentors are definitely very accessible, very encouraging. Maybe in between the classes, they have to follow like a certain agenda like this after this, but they do take up time to answer your questions. They do take up some extra time towards the end, and they always say that you can tag us on your board, ask for feedback and things like that. The sessions, the planning is done so well that it flows. Like there's a flow, like you're introduced to a topic, you're shown some examples, you're given a task which you do in class with your peers, and then you're given another task to explore it further. So it's like a step-by-step approach. So it doesn't make you feel like, okay, you have learned a new concept and now you don't know anything about it. But they give you a starting point. Obviously, you have to learn more on your own as well. You don't have to worry about, okay, now where do I go from here? So everything is planned. That I really appreciate that. My long-term goal is to start something of my own. So I do have a small business kind of thing where I do custom portraits and t-shirt designs and illustrations. So like a extension to the freelance work in a way that I combine science and art and take it forward. So before that, I feel like getting some work experience, like a year or two within an organization, working with a studio, getting some hands-on experience is required before I, set up to start something of my own. Make the most of what you're getting. Even like the software classes that we had in the beginning to help us be proficient with it, I thought that they were like amazing. Like the instructors were so patient, so understanding. I never had to like think for a second that can I ask this question or not. And I felt like it was like so much information just being given to us, and I was like, okay, I'm going to make the most of it. I asked all kind of questions that I had in mind. So yeah, I feel like even with the learning supplies that we get, so I don't find a lot of time to actually read through it before every session, but I do try to catch up in between, and some of those supplies are like really amazing. Like they really help. So yeah, don't put so much pressure that you can't even like take one step. Go easy on yourself and trust yourself and give it your everything. Yeah.